Recording.
Hey, we're recording on it. Don't, please.
That's not like water.
No, it's air conditioning.
Y'all ever lived in there?
Yeah.
Cool. Why is it cool?
I don't know how old it's going to be today, but I never know what time I'm supposed to was. Nobody did. When my papa had a birthday, we didn't know when he would have one.
You know some people get posed to one for do a lot of honey?
No.
Hey, honey.
What?
I said, they out there. We got
He's
coming.
recording.
Sorry.
Yeah. When just live, just take the joint.
One spark is bright, the other one ain't.
Yeah.
Last time we seen them, they was over this way.
Yeah.
Don't go much how long to do it.
Everyone.
It was wrong. And they was making all different shapes. Like they didn't know we were. That's easy.
Yeah.
Little light off down, way down below the bottom.
I don't know.
You see it?
I seen it. Wait, I did.
Well, yeah.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, but it was above the brightness.
Above it.
That's amazing. I believe somebody got a drone and way up there and recorded.
You gotta be careful what's wrong too.
Yep.
Yeah, you can watch it from a drone on your phone if you,
Yeah.
if you know what you're doing.
Mm-hmm.
That's how they keep up with them drones whenever they send them on a long trip somewhere.
Yep.
They watch where they're at on their phone.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder how much they cost.
More than what we've got.
Daddy had a little drone.
Them things probably cost up in the thousands.
Daddy had a little drone, but
Yeah, and
put it up in the tree.
I had one that I could operate. It was pretty good size when me and Angie was still together.
Oh yeah, the helicopter.
I got the helicopter, but the top of it's broke where the balancer.
Yeah.
But I used to have a drone, and I was out there flying it, and I was doing just fine out there toward that field,
Yep.
or what Paul is.
Mm-hmm.
It flew over toward the road, and I brought it back. I was bringing it back, and a darn car started coming. So I had to turn around and go back, and they got hung up in a tree. And whenever I was trying to jiggle it loose, it failed, but I couldn't. When I went over to try to find it, I couldn't find it. I don't know what happened to it.
I think somebody got that.
No, there wasn't nobody got it whenever I was over there looking for it. But I don't know if it fell down a tree trunk or what.
Huh.
But there wasn't nobody over there looking for it whenever I was. If I could have got it to go higher, I wouldn't have worried about that car.
I would love to see what that helicopter did.
Well, I couldn't even fly the helicopter, and then our neighbor was out there working on his trailer. I took it out there to show it to him, and the darn thing all of a sudden took off, flew over the top of my car, and come down on the propeller, and that's what broke the balancer on it.
Uh-oh. What does it sound like?
Huh?
What does it sound like?
It don't have much of a sound to it, but it blinked different colors.
Oh.
Oh, cool.
Didn't you say that you could feel the wind off of it?
I don't even know where it's at now. In the house, I don't know if it's up there in the attic or where.
Y'all have an attic?
Yeah. Yes, we do.
I didn't know that.
Mm-hmm.
Trust me, I didn't know.
You don't want to go up there now. It's harder than the devil up there.
Yep.
Huh?
It's hot in the attic real bad.
Yeah, what? Hot as hell. You might pass out up there.
Yep.
I never been in the attic.
Me either.
Y'all have a basement here?
No.
You know. Where do we Labor Day around here?
What watch?
How about yeah, like fall festivals up here in the fall? I'm dead. Hey, will you teach me how to play night manager one day, honey?
What?
Teach me how to play night.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Here they go that same car again.
No problem, mother. I could find one ship with some life. You put your body.
Oh, guess what, Mama?
What?
Kevin likes potted meat like you do.
What up?
Yeah.
I love potty meat.
YouTube, now. Doherty dozen. 4th of July fun hashtag summer goals. Attachment.
Did you your potty meat on a sandwich?
Yeah, that's what she does.
Where the potty meat is?
YouTube, now. The Divine Plant sunflower. Branch with leaves. Venting. Unused face. Unused face.
About potty meat.
Huh?
I did about potty meat.
Walmart and stuff.
And he brought them those peppermint cheese packages.
Yeah.
I think Snowball mad at Crystal cause I'm taking up her time.
Yeah.
She let me pet her earlier.
Bird, yeah.
Yeah, I was petting her earlier for a minute. Like I picked her up and was holding her. She didn't want me to.
And she was the man to get put down.
Yep.
She was hissing.
No. Just meowing.
Get her house. I'm been in her face.
Yeah.
She does that with everybody.
Yep.
Does she does it with that Janine person?
Yeah.
She does it with her too?
She lets her pet her sometimes.
I met Snowball one time while I was up there. And she ran back. Where she hides at? Did y'all, I mean, y'all bed or y'all room?
He's under our radio.
My cat is very sociable.
Oh yeah, his cat loves me. She let me hold the first time she ever
Our
met me.
cat don't love nobody.
Well, she loves me.
Free.
She won't leave me alone. She's in heat.
Huh?
She won't leave me alone whenever she's in heat.
Yeah, well.
I heard this several times when she was in heat though. When she be grabbing and biting on her. Says Snowball. She be jumping on y'all bed. Yeah. Sometimes.
Yeah, she does.
When we got her, she just fit palm of my hand.
She was a baby.
Mm-hmm. We got to just thing got clean.
I still won't have nothing to do with it.
But why would she pick me though? I'm not much.
Well, okay, honey.
Yeah.
Go shooting off with that one, really?
Must be.
Puppy.
Nope.
Damn.
Ta-da!
It's over?
Yeah.
Huh?
I
It's over.
It was what that is.
A bug flying in front of me and light.
Not that huge.
But that blue light over yonder,
It might. I could pull the firebird.
I didn't see them. I just saw that blue light over the trees over here.
It ain't over with.
Guess so. Bugger.
Mic is on. But live. Pop. Time recorded. Recording 2047.
What you drink?
I don't have a drink.
She's talking to me.
Oh.
Got one loaded with ASMR. Relax. Pop. Time recorded. Pause. Button.